Remember that little tool I showed you, which was a non-contact sensor? I'm going to show you something here. I'm doing Valentine's Day. I'm doing a fan for my wife, but I just want to show you how important this tool is. I can go get a meter too, but watch. I'm going to turn this around. All right. I'll show you. All right. So the long one on this socket right here is the neutral. So we turn it on. The light turns green. That's neutral. The long one, if you look at it, that's a longer slot. Now watch. This slot is hot. Okay. So this switch over here is off. Here we go. See, it says off. Now watch. That black wire up there is hot. All right, so here's the sensor. It's hot. There's your neutral. Hot. It's off. So maybe they wired the switch wrong, which you can't really. All right, so there we go. Now, one more time. That's hot, folks. You'd have saved yourself from getting shocked. All right, so this little tool is very helpful. It ain't gonna tell you how many volts but it stops you from getting shocked. I'm kind of used to working on them, so I just put a cap on it, slide it through the thing. So that's this morning with this little tool. It's on the Facebook page under the tools needed sheet up in the announcement section. Plus, where I made a video of this, there's a link to it. All right, thank you very much. It's Jeff. Remember, there's 4 ways to get a hold of me, 4 or 5. One is here on the YouTube channel, RV Diagnostics. Hit the like button and subscribe, please, and tell everybody about it because we go over stuff step by step. Speaking of step by step, we do step-by-step diagnostics, troubleshooting over the phone, video chat, video links, live. I'm there watching you do stuff. All right, even though you don't know how to use a meter, scanner, tools, it don't matter. That's www.rvdiagnostics.com. It's plural, diagnostics. The other one is the ever-growing, it's over 17,000 members now, the Facebook page. So March the 13th, 2021 will be its 3rd year. So we're doing pretty good. Thank you very much. And the other one is the garage at Seaford, Delaware, 19973. How do you get a hold of me if you're coming through? One, if you join the website, you get my personal telephone number. Second, you just email me at jeff@rvdiagnostics, and we'll make an arrangement because I do have a personal life. I go on vacations, Laura and I, in our RV, and we got grandkids and all that. So we'll work around it. We'll try our best to help you. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics.